Hello and welcome to Steph Time. My name is Stephanie and today I wanted to share with you my favorite sewing tools and some sewing tools that would be a great place to get started when you first start sewing, as well as my recommendations and preferences. So let's just get into it. Let's start with the shears. It's very important to have very sharp shears when you're sewing and cutting out fabric. You need to make sure you don't use them for paper, you don't use them for anything else. Don't let anyone cut anything else with them because it will dull them, it will ruin them. My favorite shears are these by LDH scissors. They're super sharp, they're not too heavy. I think they're also very cute and sleek. They kindly sent some over for me to try, but I would have recommended them anyways because they're awesome. Another method of cutting that I usually prefer is with a rotary cutter and a self-healing mat. So I have both of those here, would definitely recommend. This is a rotary cutter by LDH as well. Very sleek, very sharp, and you can replace these blades once they wear down, which is really nice. I also have this smaller rotary cutter that I love using for like really tricky parts to get to. If you don't like bending over on the floor and like pinning and cutting out, I love a rotary cutter because you can just put your fabric down, put your pattern down, put some pattern weights and cut it out, and it's super quick. And it's definitely my preferred method of cutting, as long as whatever I'm trying to cut out fits on the self-healing mat. Let's talk seam rippers because you gotta have them. It's gonna be your best friend and your worst enemy, but you gotta have them. I don't really have any serious preference on brand here. I've got your typical seam ripper here, as well as a blade seam ripper. This is awesome because it can be faster and will help in like trickier situations, but it's also more dangerous because you're more likely to cut through your fabric with this. And it has happened to me, but I still use it. So definitely recommend getting a seam ripper, but if you're only gonna get one, get this guy. Let's talk marking your fabric to cut it out, or marking darts, marking notches. I love Taylor's chalk or Taylor's soap. They are both great. I have both because I started out with Taylor's chalk and I still love it. You can get a pack of them in all different colors, which is really nice if you're working on white fabric, because Taylor's soap, in my experience, only comes in white, which makes it very difficult to see on white fabric. They're both awesome. This one comes off when you steam it, and they both come out in the wash. There are disappearing ink pens, there are other methods of marking fabric, but these two are my favorite. In terms of cleaning up my space, this is maybe a little bit more non-conventional, but I love a lint roller. I use it to clean up my area really quickly. I use it if I'm seam ripping a lot of thread out and it's just kind of everywhere. It's really nice to just be able to like get it really quick, as well as if there's still loops in the thread but the other side has been seam ripped, you can just meow, meow, if you know what I mean. Also great to have if you're trying to prep fabric. Just get that cat fur off of there, you know what I mean? When you're assembling during construction, you need some type of pins. I have a few different options and I use them kind of for different things. I love these sewing clips. You can get them in sets. I think this is like a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch sewing clip. And you just use these to like clip your little layers together before sewing. These are super helpful, super beginner friendly. You can't poke yourself with them, and they have built-in seam allowances, so that's really helpful. I also have glass head pins and lots of straight pins that I use for sewing as well. But if you're gonna get these, you'll want to get some sort of pin cushion or magnetic bowl to put them in. All right, you can't sew without thread. Thread can be kind of daunting because there's a lot of different options. I have a bunch of old vintage thread, I've got cheap thread, I've got expensive thread. But what I would recommend if you're a beginner starting out, instead of going out to grab the color of thread for the project that you need, because I know like I'm starting a project at midnight most times, so I just need to have what I need for the project. So this Gutermann set of threads is a great place to start because it'll have pretty much all the colors that you need to start out with. So I would definitely recommend just picking this up. Gutermann is a wonderful thread brand and they have a good color selection, as well as the durability and strength of their thread is like top tier. That way you don't run into any snags with cheap thread breaking on you or whatever. When it comes to measuring, my self-healing mat is really helpful to have also for measuring things out on the go because I could just have it on my table. But I also love this clear ruler. And the reason I like that it's clear is because if I'm trying to line up, you know, a 1/4 of an inch from the edge to draw a straight line, I can do that all by lining up these lines with my fabric and I can see through it. So I would definitely recommend getting a clear ruler. Really helpful. Use this thing all the time. And it's nice to get like a straight corner or 90-degree angle. When I'm folding down a seam allowance to iron it, I love using my seam allowance ruler because you can set your seam allowance with this little gaugey thing here. And it's really good to just quickly reference while I'm folding down and ironing. So that is that. Guys, those are all of the tools I would suggest that you look into to pick up to start sewing. These are little tips and tricks that I love. This is not the holy grail, it's just my preference. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys learned something, and I will link all of the products I mentioned here down below. And let me know if you plan on picking any of these up, or let me know your favorite sewing tool because I would love to know and add to my arsenal. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.